Hello students! For today we have activities on vacations, reported speech, present and past. For your oral exam we have a dialogue, letter A and letter B. Now pay attention and repeat. Hey, what have you been up to lately? I went on a trip with my family last week. Really? Where did you go? We went to Europe. What cities did you go to? Berlin, Paris, London, and few other small cities. Did you go to Madrid? Oh no, we didn't go there. I'd like to go there next time. I went there 2 years ago. It's a beautiful place. Really? Next time I will visit the city. Okay, students, now you need practice at home. Muy bien, chicos, ahora necesitan practicarlo en casa. Recuerden que pueden poner pausa cada que repiten el primer verso, ¿ok? Estamos viéndonos. See you later, students. Bye bye.